In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11 step by step so you can get it installed quickly and start accessing your games, store, and library without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser on Windows and Windows 11. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type store epicgames.com download and press enter. This will take you directly to the official Epic Games download page, which is the safest place to get the launcher. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner of the web page and you should see a download button. Go ahead and click that button to begin downloading the Epic Games Launcher installer. Depending on your browser, the file may start downloading immediately, or you may see a prompt asking you to confirm the download. If you do, allow it to continue. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. You can do this by opening File Explorer and clicking Downloads on the left-hand side, or by using the shortcut from your browser if it gives you one. Inside the Downloads folder, look for the Epic Games installer file. It will usually have a name related to Epic Games Launcher and end with an installer file type. Now double-click the installer file to run it. Windows may show a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is normal for software installation, so click yes if you trust the official Epic Games website you downloaded it from. The installation window will now open. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the setup. You may be asked to choose an install location, accept the terms and conditions, or let the launcher finish copying files to your computer. Just continue through each step until the installation is complete. Once the Epic Games Launcher finishes installing, open it if it doesn't launch automatically. At that point, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Epic Games account, enter your email and password, or use any sign-in method you normally use for Epic. If you don't already have an account, you can create one during this process. After you sign in, the Epic Games Launcher will be ready to use on your Windows 11 PC. From there, you can browse games, install titles, manage updates, and access your library all from one place. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.